So next one, party. Let's talk about shopping at markets. Okay. Do people in your country enjoy going to open air or street markets?
Yeah, we really do enjoy doing that. There are lots of open air market just in Bangkok that I know, right? Like Siam or ตลาดนัดหัวมุม or จตุจักร as I say, there's a lot of open air because the prices of products are very cheap compared to the one in the shopping mall.
Okay. Again, you said the one in the one referring
Shopping malls.
No. Wait. The one referring to what?
To the products.
Ones then. Yes.
Ones.
Okay. The ones in or those. Let's say those is better. Cheaper than those in the shopping mall. But when you say the shopping mall, you don't need an S. For places like the shopping mall, the post office, the bank, the hospital, when you talk about these places that are normally in a community, then you use the and you don't need an S. Okay. But if you don't use the, then you're talking about them in general, then in that case you put an S at the end. So like hospitals, shopping malls in general. Yeah, but if you said the shopping mall, then you don't need to put an S there. Okay. Another one you just said Siam. Siam is the name of an area, so you have to say something after the name. Siam something.
I always call it สยามร้อน
What should we call it in English?
Hot air Siam. I don't know.
No,
It's
no.
just the name that
that is Siam
my friends
Square.
come up with.
That is Siam Square. Not Siam. Not. Let me put in the accent. Siam Center. Not that part. Not the building. Not the center. Right. But the other side, Siam Square. Yes. Okay. Okay. All right then. Next one. Do you think that markets are more suitable for selling certain types of products?
Yes. For example, handmade things. It's easier for the maker to represent it in the open air market. It's hard for them to get in contact with shopping malls to be able to sell them there. So it's a suitable place for people who want to find handmade stuff.
Okay. You said it is easier for them to represent their products. Represent or just present?
Present.
Okay. Right. To present their products or put their products on display.
Put on display.
Yep. Okay. Or just display as a verb. Display their products.
Okay. Is it need an ed?
No,
just
it's not
put
passive
on display.
voice. No. On display. Display, that is a noun.
Okay.
Put their products on display.
On display.
On, because we have on display, so that is a noun. Yeah. Or just use it as a verb, then they can display their products. Okay. Okay. Do you think young people feel the same about shopping at markets as older people?
I think it is more fun for younger people because the atmosphere it's sometimes hot and it's not suitable for older people. And the crowds, it's usually crowded in the market, and it's hard for old people to walk, and I think old people just like to do something convenient, so it may not be a place for them.
Right, right. I have a question. You said something convenient, like what?
Um, the shopping place where then air conditioners.
Okay. I want you to be specific. Yeah. So then you could say that older people would prefer shopping at
We prefer shopping at
the shopping mall,
shopping
or
mall.
a place with air conditioning like that. Okay. Another thing I want you to include in this answer of yours is why young people love going to these places. Could you just say that these places are not good for older people for so many of those reasons that you've mentioned? So why do young people love going there if they're not so good?
I mean, maybe the prices they are lower, and young people tend to have lower income than older people, and they have to save money, so they choose to go to open air market where products are cheaper.
Okay. Choose to go to an open air market or the open air market. Yes. Yes. Or again, open air markets in general, right? Okay. Yep. So you have to be more concerned about that now, the final sounds. Okay. So next part, let's talk about shopping in general. What are the advantages of buying things from shops rather than markets?
You can guarantee their quality and the copyright. I mean, you will get genuine things. You will get genuine things from the shop itself that the brands own, and and the products are all new. They haven't been used or anything, and sometimes there are promotions for you to get cheaper price.
Get again a cheaper price or cheaper prices. Okay. Are you thinking one or more than one?
More than one.
Okay, then plural prices. Okay. And not well, copyrighted brand names. Sure, you can say that. So you can get authentic products. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Next one. Let's talk about advertising. Okay. How does advertising influence what people choose to buy?
When we watch an advertisement, it's like we can see what this product can do. It shows some of its spatial benefits, and if the advertisement use actors or celebrities that you like, it will give more influences to you, like you want to be like them and you want to use things like them, and it encourages you to buy those stuff.
Those
And buy
just the last word. Change the last word.
that.
No, the last word.
Those things, or
because you said stuff, right? And I told you the stuff is uncountable.
What about that?
That stuff is grammatically correct, but it's not formal, and I would like you to be formal here. So to buy that product, for example. Okay. I mean, they are not so strict about you being formal or informal on the interview, but I would love for you to be more formal here so that you use better words. Right. Okay. One thing here, you said it will give more influences to you. Is that right?
Yeah.
No, not really. It will have more influence on you. You don't give an influence or your influence
Have
to
more.
someone. Right. Have more influence on somebody. Yeah.
Influence.
On the consumers, you can say. Yeah. All right.
Okay.
Okay. So see, consumer sounds better than you in this case. So you can just venture to use these formal big words because I know you can. You can do better than this. Okay. So I got one more question here. Do you think that any recent changes in the way people live has affected their general shopping habits?
This is a hard one. One particular thing that I can see a lot is shopping online. Once you get into the internet, you can see a lot of advertisements that that will make you want to buy some products that sometimes you don't really need it, but once you see it, you just like it and you want to buy it, and that's make bad habits happen to people. They use more money for something that unnecessary, and it's easy to get to buy it. You can buy it from anywhere at any time. That even worse. Yeah, but it's good for the economy maybe, but it's bad for individuals because they use too much money.
Okay. So let me summarize your answer. You saying that people now don't think twice about buying things that they see online. Is that right? Yeah. Okay.
And I think I can come up with an idea
Why are you saying that?
spontaneously.
Oh, honestly, I don't think that was your problem. I think you got great ideas. Just that, that you didn't go into enough detail. That you were giving very general answers, right? But you did not dig deep into painting a picture or building an image, creating an image for the listener. Yeah, I think you could improve on that definitely. Yeah.